Chapter 19, Movement Meditation, Flow Sparring. How to do it. During flow sparring sessions, move with intention, but without forcing any situation. Picture yourself partaking in a fluid dance with your partner, where every move you make and every counter move your partner makes is an expression of each of your inner energies. Keep technique in mind, but focus on fluidity. Rather than resisting the flow, try to feel the rhythm and move along with it. Seek instances where you can progress in the fight, but let these opportunities arise organically instead of forcing them. Objective. This form of active meditation, flow sparring, aims to cultivate a flow state within you and your partner. It's about releasing blocked energy and allowing a more free-flowing movement and thought. This not only enhances your prowess in jiu-jitsu, but also transforms the act of sparring itself into a form of moving meditation. When practicing in this manner, you'll find that your mind and body can work in perfect harmony, causing tactical decisions and physical movements to emerge more naturally and efficiently. This is immensely helpful for getting into the flow state during high-pressure situations, such as competitions or self-defense scenarios. By integrating this flow sparring practice, movement meditation, you'll get to experience jiu-jitsu and life in a more enriched and meaningful way.